Hey guys, what's going on, and welcome back to the channel. I know it's been quite a while since I posted. It's just been really busy here, and a lot of things have been happening all at once. And I thought I'll give you guys a quick update now that I'll be posting videos more often. Hopefully more often. It's still pretty busy, but I thought I'll give you guys an update. So the truck is driving pretty well with the lift. I really like the lift. The ride quality is pretty much the same as stock, with the exception that you're taller and it's a little bit, it leans a little more on the tighter turns, obviously. But overall, the lift is really good. I had a tire pressure light on my dash. I removed that. I also installed navigation in the truck as well. The driver's side handle, I don't know if you can see that, the one that I installed a while back. It's a lifesaver now getting in the truck, you know, since the truck has a 6.5-inch lift and 35s on it, and I don't have any side steps. Also, the gas mileage has been sucking a little more, obviously, with the bigger tires. And I've been averaging about 12 and a half, so it kind of sucks. But also the speedometer needs to be calibrated, and I picked up a calibrating tool on eBay. So once I get that, I'm going to do a quick little video on how that works and see if how much difference that will make. Because I think with the 35s compared to stock, right now it says I'm going 70, but I think I'm actually going 75. I think it's about a maybe 4 to 5 mile per hour difference. And the reason I've been away for a while is I got sick a couple times with that flu. I got sick once, then I got better, then I got sick again. And then my grandma passed away, so that was a little tough. And then we had to deal with the funeral, and had to move things out of her apartment, etc. So it's been a pretty busy month or so. So now that I'm back, I'm gonna start posting a few more videos. I did make a video about installing navigation. I just didn't get a chance to edit it, and also a few other little things here and there. And I started working on my wife's van, because she has a flower business, and the van that I got that's smashed in the front, I started working on that. So that's going to be part of the channel for now as well, till I get that fixed. And then of course, once that's done, I'll continue on getting more projects for the channel as well. And the Silverado is going to have more upgrades coming up as well. So yeah guys, I'll do my best to get more content out there for you guys. And those of you that don't know, I do work nights full-time. I drive big rigs for UPS, mostly at night. And I work about 55 to 60 hours a week, and being married, 2 kids, all these projects at home. So, you know, I'll do my best for you guys. So stay tuned, and I'll get more videos coming up on this channel. And we'll see you guys in the next video. See ya!